Hello all, I welcome you all in my video series of assembly package means how to um, do a specified way of drafting in your college or in your college, or you can use in your college. It may this way may can be used, or it may be beneficial for you guys to how to draw assembly packages. Assembly package means I already told you in first video. So now I will make the second and third and fourth part. Here, go to start mechanical design, part design. So the second part is this plate. What is this link bar? Okay, link bar is 40 mm. From here it is drawn here, and you can see it here, and it is of radius 12 mm, both ends, two holes of diameter 12. So okay, let's start. Zoom to fit. Okay, I'm going to start mechanical design, part design. I'll say okay, no problem. I'm choosing this one. Go to sketch and go to center rectangle. Okay, double click on it so that you can use it directly two times. It is 40, and this one is how much? 12 to the here. You can see that this is 12 mm diameter. 12 to the 24, it will become 24. Okay, now just draw a circle and gives the radius of what is this is the circle of 512. Okay, no problem, just give the dimension of 12. Okay, similarly draw another circle of diameter 12. Now what no, I have to first make draw a circle of radius how much? 24. Okay, why I made this? So we have to make this semi circle. Okay, so that it is the radius of 12 means diameter of 24. So now make another circle similarly and give the dimension. It is of 24. Double click on it so that you can modify it. 24. Now uh, let's focus on this part. Okay, first of all you have to select this circle center and go to here. From here, this is an symmetry axis. Okay, it means it will divide these bodies exactly and equal parts, means symmetry parts. Okay, I will draw here. From here, now just select this part and okay, I will not select this axis because it's not advantageous, so I will select this. Okay, from the axis, now it is the center part. Okay, so click this center and click here and go to constant defining dialog box, coincidence. It coincide here. Okay, say okay. Now go to this circle and this constant defining dialog box, coincidence. Okay, why it is coincide here? Okay, without waiting is first of all go to select and just this is the coincidence point. This is the half part of this. So okay, let me do it. It is 2 hard way, difficult way. First of all, select this circle and just go here. It means this dot means it is the midpoint, so click here and draw a circle. Again take the, and just it's showing this means it's a midpoint, so I will draw. Now double click on it and give the dimension of 24. Okay, it will coincide, just give the 24. Okay, no problem, this is an easy way. Okay, sorry for the that way. So now you have to go for the trim command, double click on it, and just we don't want this because it is here, we don't want this one, will only outer part. So I'm going here, so I'll just click here, and I also don't this one. Okay, and I don't want this one. Okay, now this is our required. Now we want to apply some, what we need to create a circle here, we'll create it later. So okay, go to exit workbench now and go to pad command, pad it, and its thickness is, what is the thickness? Okay, sorry, this thickness is what, 5 mm thick, means go to give 5 mm thickness. Okay, no problem. Oh, this has no use right now. What the? Okay, now I will also tell you some of the new, if you want to delete, if by mistake you made this type of, you also made it because you followed me what to do, what to not, what I am doing, you also do it. So if anytime you need to delete something that is not necessary, so go to sketch, double click on it, go to part body and go to sketch and just select it, delete it, select it and delete it. Okay, now go to, okay, no problem. Now you have to make the hole, just select this surface, on this surface you want the hole. Now go to positioning sketch, now just select it and this from here. Okay, it is not right way. Okay, I want from here to here the distance of how much, it is of how much, 24, means I want 12. Okay, now from here to here, now just select it, select this one, so it will what, 12 from here. Okay, from here it is 12 and from here it is also 12. So now go to exit workbench and we want a what is the diameter of this circle, this is 12. Okay, diameter 12 and go to up to next. Okay, this is our hole of dia 12. Now again we will go create this hole and go to select this surface on which you want to make a circle, and this way, this is long way, so you have to go to this mirror command and which part you want to mirror, select this one, and about which axis, because we want here, so we will select this symmetric axis. Okay, no problem, this is our link bar, so I will save it. As Okay, okay. Part 3. Three. Now go to mechanical design. Okay, now I will end this.